Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the task that you are going to do right now is called progressive group task. In this task, you will be tackling a series of 4 obstacles, starting with the simple one, but as you progress, you would find the level of difficulty is gradually increasing. Okay, that's why it is called as a progressive group task. Alright, and then you will be doing the entire task as one single group. That is like one group. Okay. Okay, in this task, we do not have any natural obstacles like nala, broken ground, etc. So, we have a simple method of drawing 2 white lines and declaring the ground in between them as out of bounds. Thereby, it becomes an obstacle for you. What do you understand by out of bounds?
You cannot touch
The place where you are not supposed to be, where you cannot go or touch. Okay, so that is out of bounds. So, you cannot go there. So, then start line to finish line, everything is out of bounds. How will I go? So, as I said, we are here to help you. So, we kept some structures in between. So, you can make use of all these structures. In addition, you will have helping materials like plank, bully and rope. You can make use of them and then you can proceed and complete the entire task. Alright?
Yes, sir.
However, you are supposed to follow a set of 5 rules. The first rule is called group rule. That is you, your group members along with your helping materials and the load which will be given to you at SSB has to be considered as one set of groups. So, you have to go from start line to finish line. That means you all will cross, your friends will cross, your materials will cross as well as your load will cross. Then only completion of PGT 1, then you will go for PGT 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If you leave anything behind, then it is considered not completed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming on to second rule, that is called distance rule. Between the start line and finish line, any distance which is 4 feet or more, that is generally this much, has to be bridged across. Like anything more than 4 feet or more has to be bridged across. Anything less than that, where you can easily go. Anything where you are taking a small hop, consider that is slightly more than 4 feet. So, which you have to reduce the distance by using the helping materials. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, by doing that, you can easily negotiate and go to the next structure. Like for example, from here to there, if it connects, connect and go. If it is not connecting, what will you do? Use your structures, make a cantilever and then reduce the distance less than 4 feet and from there you proceed. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? No. Don't try to connect both the structures. It may not happen. Reduce the distance less than 4 feet from the tip of the plank to the next structure. So, that can happen. This you have to understand very clearly. Many candidates get confused. They feel like my aim is to connect this structure and the structure using the plank. It will not happen all the times. Okay. The third rule is called color rule. That is between the start line and finish line, any structure which is painted white in color, it is open for men, material as well as load. I mean women as well. Okay. Men, women, material and load. Clear? Yes, so that means you can go and stand, your materials can be put there, your load can also be placed there. The next color is red, which is bang opposite. Out of bounds for men, material and load. You cannot touch, your materials cannot touch, your load cannot touch. Now blue. Blue is, it is open for men, however material and load cannot be touched. It is out of bounds for material as well as load. If you go to Air Force Selection Board, instead of blue color, you will find yellow color. But the applicability is same. You can touch, but you cannot put your materials or load. Sir, can I stand on the blue and hold the material in my hand?
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can hold. It should not touch directly. You can hold. Sir, can I put it on my shoe and stand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it can be on your shoes. It cannot touch the blue. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now coming on to the next rule, that is called rule of rigidity. That is no two rigid helping material. Here the two rigid helping materials, plank and bully. They cannot be tied together one behind the other to make a long bridge. That is not allowed. However, sir, can I tie it like this, wherein I am not extending the distance of bridging? Yes, I can tie it like this. Can I tie it like this? No. Not allowed. Clear? Yes. The last rule is called rule of infinity, wherein the start line and finish line have to be assumed that they are extended till infinity both sides. So, which means even if you are trying to walk from that side, that is out of bound. It is not possible for you to do. You have to go through the course. Clear? Yes, so, these are the few rules which you have to keep in mind when you are at SSB. Alright? Yes, in addition, what you are supposed to do is you can use your physical force when you are outside the start line and finish line. But inside, you cannot do like, sir, I will stand here, I will hold like this, my friend can go. No. Use your materials to make a solution.
Yes, sir.
But sir, when I am standing outside, can I use this as a fulcrum and can we put our body weight as the counterweight and can we send our friends inside? Allowed. Yes. Similarly, in the finish line, sir, can we stand outside the finish line and get our last man? Allowed. But sir, inside can I try this? No. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more important point. When it is start line like this, okay, don't go and stand on the structure and keep dancing like this. So don't do this.
Yes, sir.
If you are supposed to stand outside the start line, stand like this normal. Don't do this and do this and come back, do this and come back. Many times candidates keep doing this. Don't do this. Why? Knowingly or unknowingly, first of all, you are unstable. Next is you are trying to violate all the rules, which is
Not acceptable.
not acceptable, and then it is bringing a remark for you. I will mark a continuous rule breaker. Why you want to do all this? Stand comfortably. Alright? And put yourself involved in the task. Standing in one leg. Try and avoid all these kinds of body language. Stand actively, put yourself into the task, give out ideas, and then concentrate. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Let's start the task.
Yes, sir.
Alright, good to go. Team 1, take your plank, belly, and rope.
But,
नहीं रहेगा वन फोर्थ में कर सकते ना उधर
wait.
Okay, now give me the plank. I will think of the idea to go there. Anyone of you come here.
you should go there let me go
And guys, please use both of your legs to use both of your legs.
And don't put your leg like behind fulcrum.
number 3 can you please come back
Chest number 5, use both of your legs. It would be sufficient to handle her weight.
Yes.
Stand on both of your legs.
let a person go first we should not waste no don't get to place your leg here in center now go there
Yes.
give me easy
Yes. Now.
Yes.
Now give us the plank.
Give us the plan. We
give the plank yes sir put the plank one person can go to the next obstacle forward put the plank in that hole
Okay. We can easily
yes
go
one of
there.
you chest number 7 chest number 7 go first
you should move forward.
number 1 please
इसको थोड़ा नीचे. Okay. Now it's fixed.
stabilize it and chest number 1 you should move chest number 1 you go forward yeah chest number 1 is
Stand over it. I got you.
yeah
Yes. No, don't stand. It's not stable. Wait.
Wait, I can.
please put your leg there
Put it inside the hole. So
Okay, fine. I understood this idea. Proceed ahead.
Okay, sir.